Hello, good morning. Another day. Today not cable car, chairlift car.
Chairlift car.
Yeah.
Another day in paradise.
Yeah, another day in paradise. Another trekking day. So we are ready to trekking in what mountain? Dolomite Mountain.
We're going to Cruce.
Cruce in Italy.
In Italia.
Italiano.
Si,
Señor. Gracias.
Gracias.
Yeah.
You like the church? There's a nice church.
Yeah, look, the church pretty cool. Yeah, so nice. Mostly people only going up, not going down. Right?
Yeah, mostly people going up now.
Not so many people going down.
It's too early for coming down. It's the camped overnight.
Hello, Ian.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. Cut the grass here, look.
Yeah. So cool, huh?
Yeah.
My favorite. I would have a wood house, traditional house in Long Prabang as well.
Very much like in Long Prabang, but different wood.
What do you think which would better? This wood or maybe Laos?
Hello.
Morning.
Good morning.
From what? Lacrosse.
Lacrosse.
Very pretty there in the mountain.
Yeah. Wow. Cross the mountain.
Yeah.
Going across the
We
mountain.
go cross that mountain. Impossible. We'll see.
Oh, it's nice. Lovely view.
Very nice view. There is Dolomite Mountain, and today we went to Lacrosse Mountain or Lacrosse area, whatever. But super cool. Look the mountain with hourglass, and the stone is black, brown, white. So cool.
Oh, cool.
And the temperature is good for trekking today. Not so hot,
Not
not
too
so
hot.
cold.
Yes,
So
it's very good.
very matching the temperature.
Very nice temperature. Can you
Yes.
see anyone climbing up there, Si?
Not so many people, but I think maybe. Hello, Spidey. Now we get more good view because we go up more higher in the top.
Higher and higher.
And the night church was called Lacrosse Church.
There's
Yeah,
church
Lacrosse
bell.
Church. So cool, very good view, so amazing.
Amazing view.
Like it here a lot.
Yeah, me too. These are the open roses.
Mm-hmm.
Most of them are finished, but
cũng gang tay ta chung dùng ma tay ta cha tay na neo na tua sa tua dùng ma y Hia con anh nhưng mà y gầy sang Hia con anh nhưng mà y gầy sang đa rộm gió Chùa blue từng tay yo ngồi ra cha Chùa bla từng tay gọi xê na Tại phi nhà từng tê là từng việc Bơ mê gai rai gai Si ba hai gai ra lát Sầm rát bó chi gai Sầm rát bó chi cơn Khóc nhầm âm
cặp trai lại lại.
Khóc trai khóc
Cặp
nhầm
nhầm
mạc
mắc mắc. What is the song about, Xay?
So this song is mean after Laos finish the war of in Laos. So
Oh yes,
it's a Khmer song and Khmer tribe.
Khmer tribe.
They thinking like who, where they are, and then come to build new village and stay together and to develop the country.
Right.
Said the bad thing is in the past, so now we are
You're happy.
come and happy has to build a new home together to develop the country, whatever. Yeah,
Oh, that's great.
yeah, it's a good song.
Good song. Happy song. Probably but also a little sad because of the war.
Yeah. But in the past, so
But in the past, so happy that it's over.
safety, no rush.
Yeah. No. Can stay. Oh, good. There was war here too. In the First World War, there was a lot of fighting in these mountains. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. There's some more alpine roses. I don't know too much, but I know they had to fight in the mountains. And in the Second World War too, I think. So are you looking for dinner? Are you looking for the ants' eggs for dinner? You don't like to eat the ants themselves? You need the eggs. Ah. I don't know if you can eat them here.
Italy ants egg maybe cannot eat.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, okay, it's back. But we make a good view. In the place is still alive in London. Spaghetti house.
Oh, spaghetti house, yeah.
It's a gorgeous Ice. This is ice in Italy. Wow, super cool. So nice. This more place to go in there, like tomorrow to walk in. Just come here a bit and then it's enough. So cool there. Wow. A lot of ice. This curve of the eye connect to the rocks. Eye curve connect to the rocks here. So cool.
Pretty cool ice. Ice from Italy. You can put it in your drink.
My second country is in Italy, in Europe, Austria one and Italy one. Two times in Europe.
Snow cave.
It was a bit scary.
Yeah.
I was dreaming as fast left. Like the man was taking me to like house or jail, and they try to protecting, and then I try to how to go out, and someone was inside, and the house was broke and burning and collapsed down, like many people going to die, and I tried the way how to get out, but so many people there.
So the cave was a bit like your dream.
Yes.
Nice
Then
cave.
I go there. I don't go so deep because I thinking about last night.
Yeah,
It's
you don't
scary.
want to get trapped.
And
There
then
might be a warning.
I go back, but I find a way last night, and then I met up some friend there outside. So I say, ooh, I'm happy someone helping me.